I picked up this 2005 TGB Laser R9 scooter off of Facebook Marketplace for $100. Sounds like a steal, but will it run again? Stick around because we're gonna find out together. By the end, we'll know if this $100 gamble was worth it. First look, this thing only has about 500 miles on it, but it's been sitting out for years. When I picked it up, here's the condition it was in. Seat was ripped, doesn't start. Battery's dead. That's about it. Dude said that it had a really dirty carb, maybe replaced the fuel lines. So far, I've cleaned the carb, flushed the fuel, and I bypassed the petcock. My plan now is pretty simple. New battery and get a new CDI box. First steps to get it to run. But if that doesn't fix it, things might get a little bit more expensive. Let's see what happens. Diagnosis and early work. I tore the carb apart. It was pretty dirty. There was varnish on the inside. Swapped in a new plug, but still no spark. I did happen to put a jumper pack on the battery. All the electronics work. The good news is the scooter's not a total bust, but the bad news is no spark yet, so let's keep digging. Incoming parts. All right, here are the new parts. Battery and CDI. These are just the first things I wanted to try after getting that carb clean, because the CDI box controls the ignition timing and the battery gives it the juice to get it started. Install for both are pretty simple. Out with the old and in with the new. Either way, this is just the beginning. I'm not gonna give up on a $100 scooter. All right, you guys, I just figured out something insane. There's no battery in here. The new battery is quite bigger than the old one. I was like, well, it doesn't necessarily need the battery to start because I replaced this guy. I was saying, hey, maybe I might as well just try it out. So, the battery, not in there. And then if I go like this, check this out. So kick starts right here. Key is on the on position. Put it to run. Here we go. Let's see if this thing will fire up. So that's where we're at with the $100 Laser TGB R9 scooter. Either way, next video will be the next chapter. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And as always, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.